Hi friends! Do you want to attach files or photos to an outgoing message in your Hotmail account? Let's go ahead and see how you can do so. Open a web browser. Go to the www.hotmail.com webpage and then sign in to your Hotmail account. Click on New from the top menu. Click on Insert and then click on Files as Attachments. Browse your PC and select a file. Click on Open to attach files. You can also choose Share from OneDrive from the Insert menu. Select the files you want to attach and then click on Open to attach them to your message. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching.